Alright guys, again, this is the life. I've got the Hillbilly Hot Tub, all nice and toasty, but you know what I don't have? I don't have a cold beverage. If only there was a way to heat my hot tub and cool a beverage. Well, you guys are in luck, this time on Voiding Warranties.
At Voiding Warranties, even a failed project can become something useful.
So this thing has come a long way. Started out with, just a cattle trough that's insulated, and added a pump. Even added a filter. I've got some nice brominated water here so it doesn't stink and sting like chlorine. Has a nice water smell to it. But you know what? I still need something else. I need a cold beverage. Well, I played around using thermoelectric coolers to try and heat this thing, and that actually didn't work so well. My understanding was that if you undervolted thermoelectric coolers, they became more efficient. That's true. But the gains in efficiency just wasn't enough for this project. My first attempt using a single loop for everything, it could have worked if the thermoelectric coolers were efficient enough, but it didn't. Using two loops was much better, but in the end I put 150 watts of cooling into this thing and I get about 300 watts of heat. And it goes down a little bit depending on what the differential temperature is between the hot side and the cold side. So really it's about twice as good as a regular electric heater, but it's not as good as like a refrigeration cycle. If I was to take a window unit air conditioner and do the same thing with it, I could get much better results. And I might do that if I really, really want to. I think I'm just going to convert this thing to solar power. But I did manage to get one good thing out of this. Feeling parched, in need of beverage. Let me reach down in here. Ice cold beverage. Oh yeah. And guess what? The heat that is taken out of this ice cold beverage goes into this hot tub. So, cheers. Now I don't know if I'm the first person, the only person, or just a person to do this. Oh. Pump issues. Problem solved. Now, I don't know if I'm the first person, the 15th person, or, the only person to ever do this or ever want to do this, but you know what? It doesn't matter. I've got a cold beverage, I've got a hot tub, life's good. Now, before you get nagging, this whole cooling and heating system isn't actually enough to heat the hot tub. It might be if I left it running 24/7, but then you just get ice in there and the heat exchangers, it wouldn't work very well. I could exchange it with outside air and make it much more efficient, and I might end up doing that. I might just go solar. Yeah, we'll fix it later. Until next time, I'm in a hot tub with a cold beverage. If you guys like this video, click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe, and remember, keep on voiding warranties. Oh yeah, this is the life.